Hey everyone, good morning. While everyone is waiting and having that relaxed afternoon, I hope everyone is I hope everyone is doing okay. How's everyone doing so far? Before we officially start, we have 2 more minutes. We'll be doing some greetings that para sa mga tao na maaga, like the early bird, so to speak. We'll be greeting, Chog TV, Cyraffer, Anything But Unusual, Gab Gab, Den Poland, Chog TV again, song lyrics, Kahon, why pa shout out Coach Angelo, tsaka sa asawa ko na nanonood from Panakan, Davao City. Hello! Kamusta na kayo dyan sa Davao? Kay Mary Yen, Kyla Garcia, Miguel Gahasan, Zedric. Oh, Boss said, good morning, good morning. Kevin, Melody, MF Diaries, Jomar Baldissimo, Mark Anthony, Lori, Jox TV, Mark Anthony, Fires, hello, Dave, Producio, Ash Dizon. Hey Ash, how are you na? John, Joel Salcedo, Reginald Getalado, and Juan Gabriel. Wow, Juan is the number one today. Wow, okay. Good morning, wherever you are in the world. I'm waiting for my regular New Zealand Gian. Jobert, hello from Kuwait. Hey Joanne, thank you for joining. Riza Joy Tuazon, hey. Mervin Batoon, hey. Watching from Toyohashi, Japan. Alam mo, ang dami nating Japan group. I think you guys need to form a mini group na there, no? Siguro I will be creating another questionnaire sa Facebook groups natin. We'll do a poll survey. I've been doing a lot of poll survey lately, no, na marami ako na-discover sa inyo. Kung taga saan kayo. So yeah, so watching from Bert Venture from Japan as well. Oh, Bert, meet some people there as well. We have from Baguio, Danny. Wow, kamusta ang temperature dyan ngayon? Okay, Arian Hipolito. Okay. James from Riyadh. Wow, hello. Okay. All right, guys, we're down to 30 plus seconds. We'll officially start our session today. Okay, let us just wait for the rest to join. We have around 93 plus people watching right now. Okay, newbie. Hey, Mark Roland. Chua. Hey, nice seeing you here. Thank you. Just keep it locked in lang at 5 o'clock. Every 5 o'clock, we will have our daily live updates. So if you're new to my channel, please click on subscribe and hit or smash that like and bell button, no? Just for you to get updated for all of my updates and videos in everyday live sessions. So, okay. All right, let's go. Let's start officially our session for today. Good morning, everyone. I'd like to officially start the session today. It's Happy Tuesday to everyone. 5 p.m. Manila time, 5 a.m. there in New York, and 5 p.m. also in New York, Cubao. As I comment before. Okay, and of course, same time zone in the Philippines, and of course, people in sorry about that. Hello. Okay, I think I lost my connection. Okay, so people from the KSA at around 12 noon, I hope you're having a good lunch there, no? So let's officially start our session for today. I'm very happy for today because officially we are actually launching the refresh version of our Miranda Mining YouTube page. We already have almost 9,000 plus subscribers. We're gonna be heading towards 10,000 subscribers already. So, thank you for all of your support. Kung natuto ka at natulungan ka ng mga information today, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please share our page, to your friends and to your families and loved ones. Okay. So thank you for that. So we have our new page today. We are now available in TikTok, no, and we also have our Twitter account. Sa Twitter kahapon, I've been blasting the Twitter world of my potential signals. So bantayan niyo yung mga ganyan tweet ko. Nagtitweet ako dyan ng mga potential signals. Kahapon, ka-chat ko si Carl sa Discord. Mga alas 4 ng umaga, and we were actually tracking ADA. Nag-breakout sa resistance na 2.03, no? So kung nakasakay kayo doon, biglang lumipad ng 2.09, people did take profit on that resistance, no? So but yeah, so follow me in my Twitter, follow me in my TikTok page, right? And then I'm looking forward to seeing all of you there from a information update standpoint. So just follow me there. In TikTok, I already have 90 followers. So we started with just 0, of course, and now we're up to 90. And then in Twitter, we already have, okay, in Twitter, we already have around 200 followers there, or 200 plus 7 followers. So just follow us there as well in Twitter. And then, okay, so I think we're good, no? We're good on all of those updates today. From Facebook page as well, I think we already have almost, let me just quickly open our Facebook page today. Okay. Okay, let me just quickly go and browse my screen. Okay, let me know if you guys could see my screen, okay? I'm just trying to adjust my screen so you guys could see it. Okay, so for the Facebook group page, we already have 3,600 subscribers, and I think in Discord we already have around 2,800 plus subscribers. So thank you for all of you, and keep us your daily habit, no, para at least you are updated with all of our updates and information, no, hindi kayo nahuhuli sa mga latest crypto news, no? So, okay, let me just try to adjust my screen one more time. Okay, I think you should be able to see it right now. Okay, let me just try to adjust it one more time here. Okay, all right, a couple of more announcements from me. Let me just quickly go to the room and open my announcements. Just give me a second here. Okay. All right, we will be having we have actually a refreshed version of our Coach Miranda Minor Learning Path System. In-update ko na to. We already have 40 plus videos that you could actually take for free, no? Kung bago kayo sa channel natin, habol-habol kayo, but of course try to maghinay-hinay, no? In terms of information gathering, baka ma-overwhelm kayo. Okay, baka ma-overwhelm kayo, and be able to absorb the information slowly but surely. Okay. All right. Okay. That's gonna be the new Coach Miranda Minor Learning System, and then another announcement, darating ngayong 6 o'clock. Antayin niyo, lalabas na tong ating latest calculator. No, gumawa tayo ng calculator. Our latest video is gonna be 6 o'clock. What are gas fees and what are the other fees in trading? Okay, and then part 2 will be how to use the calculator in Binance Futures. No? So gumawa tayo ng calculator, as I've said, right? We made a calculator for you to be able to use, and please take use of that in your own benefit. No? So it looks like this. Let me just try to open it up real quick. Okay, so dinemo ko na to kahapon, but if you're new to my channel, of course, pinaghirapan to ni Coach, no? We spent the whole night just to build this calculator for you. So I hope you're able to take advantage of this calculator. Let me just really quickly try to adjust my screen para makita ninyo. Okay, hang on. Ayan, no? So we were able to make a calculator. Yan, yung dalawang screen na yan. You just need to be able to put your market price order, and then what's your input target profit. Mag-auto-compute yan in your target for stop loss, no? And then input your USDT capital and leverage, and then it would tell you how much is your potential profit in US dollars tether, no? And then the same thing for market buy, market sell order. Pinaghiwalay ko yan because iba ang charges kasi ng market order and limit order, no? Market order is 0.02 and limit order is 0.04. So, and I also already plugged in the potential funding fee, no? So I'll explain what the funding fee is in my video at 6 o'clock. So just tune in to my channel at 6 p.m. and after this session, I'll be able to share that with you. Tapos isi-save natin yung ating calculator in Discord in our FB group, no? For you to be able to see, also use the same calculator in your own convenience, okay? All right, and there's also of course, Coach Miranda Minor Notes that you could actually use, no, for your information. So basahin na lang ninyo yan, how to be able to, and then again, this is a very conservative calculator. Meron ka ng pang-ipit na 0.05 na pwede mo rin gawing profit in case walang funding fee. Okay? All right, so yeah, and aside from that, we actually have another video that's coming in. This is gonna be tomorrow, lalabas tomorrow to. I need to create this very good video kasi karamihan sa inyo guys, based on my trading um, survey, karamihan kasi sa inyo hindi pa nagfa-futures, right? Paki-comment down below if you are a spot trader only. Okay? Marami sa inyo mga newbie, not yet into futures, no? So, gumawa tayo ng video that is going to teach you how to use stop limit and one cancel the other video. Very powerful yan, no? And if you will notice, hindi ko siya tinuturo ng matagal because ayoko maguluhan kayo. Okay? But now, I find the value of teaching you this particular topic because very powerful ang one cancel the other. You could program dalawang buy order, okay, ng sabay. Okay? Isa sa taas, isa sa baba. You could buy on dip and you could buy on all-time high peak. Tapos you could also sell ng dalawang sell order ng sabay. Okay? Isang sell sa taas na target price mo at isang stop limit sell sa baba. Pwede mong pagsabayin yon. And you know, it's gonna be a very exciting video for you. Pwede nyo siyang pagsabayin, guys. It's really, really good. Really powerful option in your spot trading spot trading platform, no? Okay? Yan. So just keep on watching, and then guys, ito na yung I'm creating my version 2 of our chart cheat sheet. Makita niyo yan. Huwag niyo muna i-screenshot. So, I'm making this for all of you. In-update ko na meron na tong actually cellphone trading cheat sheet here. And then meron na siyang position trading cheat sheet. Okay? If you're a position trader and if you are a cellphone trader, you could actually use some of the strategies here. So, just something for you guys to look forward to. Lalabas ko yan within this week. Just watch out. And please be a member of our Facebook groups in our Discord channel and our YouTube channel para you are updated for all of these information na ilalabas natin anytime very soon. Okay? Okay. Now, let's go to our news updates for today. Okay, let's go with our news. No? So, first and foremost, of course, we're gonna be looking at Elon Musk. You know, if there's anything new today for Elon. Nothing much new on this particular space. You know, if you look at his tweets and replies, obviously the same information that we're gonna be seeing, except for yung huling-huling chat niya and retweets niya are still, you know, the May 17 Hallelujah tweet, no? Aside from that, not much that we did see from him. Of course, the last information was he was actually doing some tweets against the Mr. Whale and other people, Emperor, and he was actually, trolling. You know, he was actually trolling. Twitter, nakakatawa si Kuya Elon, right? He was actually trolling Twitter and a billionaire trolling some people or strangers. And you would have known, ano kaya nangyari sa accounts ng mga taong nireplyan niya mo kung sumabog siguro yung subscription page ng mga yan. No? Okay? Alright, and then in speaking of Elon Musk, there is a very good test news for you to know. Medyo nagkakagulo sila ngayon, and it's interesting because one of the investors in Tesla, her name is Cathie Woods, no? Cathie Woods of ARK Investment, also a multi-millionaire, not yet a billionaire, but a multi-millionaire. He was actually questioning the Elon Musk's pronouncement on Bitcoin. So parang sinasabi niya, hindi iisa ang boses ng Tesla in terms of Bitcoin pronouncement. And this is a very big news, guys. I mean, for someone within Tesla as a big-time investor coming out and debating whether Tesla CEO was right to stop the acceptance of Bitcoin payments based on environmental basis. No, it's actually being questioned, right? And then on Monday, he was actually reiterating that yung stand nila on Bitcoin mining can help, not harm the environment. So what does that do? No, what does that do to a particular billionaire's ego? So we have yet to see. Right? But so far, Bitcoin is still down today to almost 43,000 levels. Right? So tingnan natin what's going to be the update on that. Antabayan na natin yan. And we'll see what's going to be happening on Tesla stocks as well. Because every time Tesla stocks is going down, malaking pressure nangyayari kay Elon. No? Like what have happened. No? Bumagsak ang stock price ng Tesla from $800 down to around $500 up level. Okay? Alright. Another news that I'd like to share is that, okay, so As newbies panic in latest Bitcoin correction, old professionals appear to buy on the dip. Right? So, if they're buying on the dip, people, consider this as a bargain. Sabi ko nga kahapon sa mga moderators ko, this is a bargain hunting for us because sobrang baba ng mga coins price, no? This is a bargain hunting for us and hindi to first time na nangyari. I will explain this to you later on, no? And then Coinbase is another Binance in the States, as you guys would have known. It actually fell below $250 reference price for the first time amid crypto correction. Guys, if you would recall, Coinbase is the Binance, so to speak, in the States. Although meron tayong Binance.us, they also have Coinbase available in the States. And then they recently had their IPO a couple of weeks back, and it was a very successful IPO for Coinbase. So really good information to know. And then, by the way, I actually added Coinbase in my calculator in case you would like to reference the price of the calculator. Makikita mo yan dyan. So, let me just quickly open the calculator again. Okay, if you click on the fees summary, I think I added Coinbase here, if I'm not mistaken. If not, yeah, there you go. I added Coinbase here, so you could easily reference magkano ang maker and taker or price reference nila, no? And so far, based on all the comparative analysis on all the centralized exchanges, Binance seems to be the most competitive price in terms of market maker and taker, percentage of fees per trade. No, so that's something good to know. Okay, let's quickly move ahead. No, okay. As I've said, as newbies panic in latest Bitcoin correction, old professionals appear to buy on the dip. This is a good news. No, this is just recently sent out 2 in the morning. There's a recent market correction happening which sent the oldest cryptocurrency down to more than 35% from its peak price of $64,000. So it fell down from $64,000 down to $40,000+. No, it went down to 42,000. Medyo nakakatakot din yan kasi bumagsak almost ng almost 40,000, 41,000 yan, no? But naka-recover, no? And at that time, a lot of people are changing hands in Bitcoin. Although it was down 9.65%, heavy buying pressure, but then heavy selling pressure. No, so obviously we all know that it's all obviously because series of tweets came from Tesla's Elon Musk, right? And then obviously alam natin na what drove that is that Tesla's announcement that they're not going to be accepting Bitcoin, but it was a welcome development for XRP and ADA. No, of course sila yung sinatawag nating fossil fuel efficient coins to mine, no, over the next couple of weeks kung wala mang BTC, no. Okay, so just something for you to know, whales are actually buying on the dip, no. Okay, and then let's quickly go on with the other news. So Fox teams up with Rick and Morty, co-creator of animated NFT series. As I've said, guys, kahapon sabi ko, NFT is becoming a very hip sa mga bata and even for the gaming industry, no? So, because they're actually giving NFT tokens and you could actually sell NFT tokens, no? Kumbaga, if you're a player, kumbaga ang mga ina-award sa'yo before, mga mana, if you, you're actually earning coins or Microsoft points or, Xbox points, etc. or PlayStation points. Ngayon, you're gonna be earning NFT tokens and NFT tokens you could actually sell. Diba? And isn't that really good? Diba? If you're earning NFT tokens. So, it's only a matter of trying to look for ano ba yung pinaka-good na token to NFT token to invest this next couple of weeks, right? And then, let's look into the others. So, 1.1 million noobs panic sell, but Bitcoin hodlers, they did actually hold, no? All right. So, let's look into the same DeFi Pulse, 79.58 billion, no? Although it actually tried to recover over the past 30 days, right? So it actually had an all-time high of almost 90 billion on DeFi funding, and then it went all the way down to almost 74 billion. But it's already up right now to 79 billion. Okay, so really good. And what does it only mean is that kung marami naka plug in sa DeFi network, right? Obviously the Ethereum price would obviously go higher because all of these categories, majority of them, I think except one, which is Bitcoin. I think there's one Bitcoin here on the payments, and this one, Lightning Network. But everything else are on the Ethereum chain. Okay? All right, and then let's go with the coin market calendar. Okay, so what are the upcoming information to be read here? So we have our mainnet launch, and then smart wallet staking on Silo, burn mechanic on Silo. This is the trending updates for today. So let's click on. Let's try to navigate this further. Of course, significant updates. Polygon Matic, they have the Berlin fork upgrade. Neo, they have their RC2 testnet. Crypto.com, Canis major roadmap. Okay, Aave actually is getting a lot of hype right now. AAV actually has significantly risen in terms of their performance. No, Basketcoin, and then CDFi.fund. Coins with potential, we have Tencent, CDFi Fund, Silo, Coty, Doc, based on a lot of people that are voting in coinmarketcalendar.com. And then let's quickly go on with our crypto currency review coin. Just give me a second. Okay, so quickly reviewing the performance of our coin right now, we have Bitcoin down 19.52% over the past 7 days. Ethereum down negative 12%. Binance Coin down negative 20%. Cardano 25 positive 25% up to 2.07 already. Okay. Actually, nag-dip pa to ng 1.98 kagabi, no? But if you're able to enter that very strong support, nag-bounce lang siya sa support na yun, you would have already entered that, no? Dogecoin, negative 3.74. It's actually building a very strong support. It's actually only ranging at 0.45 to 0.52 range, no? So it's building a very strong support. It keeps on bouncing above 0.45. XRP is up 1.56. I think this coin has a tendency to go even higher at 1.72. We'll see if it breaks the major resistance. Polkadot, as we discussed, is 9.11 yesterday. And that's the performance of our top 10 coins. No, let's now go with our charting sessions for today. Okay, as I was saying yesterday, let's do a quick chart for ADA or ADA. ADA USDT, no, let's do a quick 15-minute charting here for your information to see. Okay, ito yung chinart ko kahapon, no? So I actually even tweeted on this, no, that it actually broke the 2.03 line, no? This particular 2.03 line, ADA broke that, no? The 2.03. And then when it broke, I actually was tweeting this in my page. If you would have seen, let me open my profile. This one. This was 13 hours ago. I was actually tweeting this, and I said that, let me just quickly go here and try to look for my other tweets. Yan. So 14 hours ago, bullish continuation. Yan, this one. I tweeted this 14 hours ago. Only a scalper will know ADA buy entry, no? So ADA buy entry was this one. Okay, before it even hit the resistance, inaantabayanan na natin yan. So alam niyo na saan ako pumasok, ha? Alam niyo na. Okay, so I was waiting for this to break out at around 2:39 in the morning. Okay, and we were actually trying our best to be able to enter in the right time. And let me just try to connect real quick to my other screen, guys. Just give me a second here. Okay, hang on. Okay, hang on a second. Okay, so I was waiting for this. This is 2:39 in the morning, and I said, pag nag-breakout yan, malamang sa malamang, lalabas yan at tataas ng tataas, no? So true enough, when it actually broke out, okay, yung mga nakapasok ng 2 point, yung mga nakapasok ng 2.03, tumuloy-tuloy yan pataas. So from here, let's try to measure the price range from here. Tumuloy-tuloy ng almost 2.12, no? And that's already a 4.45% increase. Okay? And then, so true enough, yung mga kumita dyan, pagpasok ng 2.02 to 2.03, Actually, I already sold. Nag-take profit na tayo dyan. Sabi ko kaya sa chat ko kahapon. And then, ang sabi ko, ang next resistance is gonna be 2.11. Bakit naging 2.11 ng resistance? No? And true enough, dun siya nag-correct, nag-pullback siya. So, let's try to plot that. No? Trend line, let's look into this. You will see this, guys. Okay? Kita niyo yan. So, dyan siya nag-correct sa line na yan. Nag-bounce pa pababa. Pinush niya pababa. No? And I was waiting for this to correct at around, actually 2.11. Let me just try to adjust this real quick. Hang on a second. This one. This one. Around 2.11 yung correction line. I was like, okay, I think this should bounce at 2.11. So, we were tweeting this yesterday. Sabi natin, okay, tingnan natin kung aabot sa 2.11 because after 2.11, then it's gonna be the time, pwede pang lumipad yan, you know? So, we're just doing a price action review, alright? And then, we also, sabi natin, 2.08 na siya at this time, no? At around 3:23 in the morning. And we were waiting for this particular candle na ilipad pa niya, no? Tapos, we were just really waiting for that, no? Kasi may nakaabang pa tayong order sa taas ng 2.11. And then, actually, 2.12, 2.13, no, nakaabang yung order natin. And wala na, nabasag. Hindi na nabasag right? Hindi na nabasag. And after that, then obviously, it went down. It tried to retest, no? It tried to retest the support. Pero malakas na tong support na to, If you will just try to look at this one further, malakas na tong support sa ilalim, So, we'll look into the... try to do this one. Okay. So, medyo marami na siyang napag-bounce dito, no? This one. This particular area. Okay. Medyo malalim to. May pagka-double bottom, no? Malalim. But, when I look into the potential of this particular, let me just quickly upload this one. So, sabi natin, feeling ko, wag lang niyang basagin yung 0.618. Mag-quickly recover lang siya dyan. Or sa 0.786. Aangat at aangat yan, no? So, yung ginamit nating support line dyan is around 1.97. Pinakailalim, no? And pumasok tayo dyan on our liquidation price na 1.9. So, papasok yan. Magbabounce lang yan sa 0.618. Pinaka-least na is 0.786. Tuturo ko yan sa inyo na may next coming video. I'm just trying to make you realize kasi na aside from indicators, tandaan nyo to guys so we will have lesson on, let me just quickly do this. So tatandaan niyo ang MACD, RSI, Bollinger Band, and all other indicators that I taught are laggards. Okay? You need to know and learn together with price action the indicators to predict like Elliott and Fib. Yung mga retracement points niyan. So tuturo ko yan sa inyo. And speaking of that guys, okay, speaking of that information, no. So in our lesson, i-plug in ko lang to, no. This coming Saturday, we will already have our very first Crypto Technical Analysis 201 session. We will be having a deep dive review of all of our indicators. And then sa Crypto TA 202, that's gonna be where I will start to introduce other indicators like stochastics, Fib, and optional Elliott wave. Don't forget double T ang Elliott, ha? Okay, we will start to introduce that, but so watch out, no? Watch out in terms of some of your questions, but watch out na lang. I'm not gonna be entertaining Fib questions for now, no? But just for the purposes of dissecting this data, I think that in this particular retracements, pinakamalalim na yung nahagip niya. And of course, gamitan mo din to ng channel indicators, no? So, gamitan mo siya ng, let's do a parallel channel again. You will notice na, ayun na naman siya, diba? It's trying to build another channel breakout. May pagka-sideways tong si Kuya, diba? Another one is, yeah, so, I was saying, no? As I was saying, kailangan niyang ma-break out itong, Let me just try to quickly do this, guys. Hang on a second. Yan. So, kailangan niya ma-break out. Actually, si Ada na breakout na rin niya to eh. So, let me just quickly go on the trend line. Kailangan niya ma-break out yan. Okay. And then, if you look into the 30 minutes, okay. Let's quickly go 30 minutes. All right. Let me just quickly go. Hang on a second, guys. So, this one. Okay. So, so look into this pattern, diba? So, very strong to. Huwag lang niyang babasagin yan. Okay? Pag binasag niyan, pwede mag-retrace yan. But as I've said, huwag lang siyang babagsak sa 0.4618 golden ratio natin. It would further go up higher and higher. And of course, meron na siyang very strong support here. Strong resistance here. This one. Ayan. So, it's actually forming this sort of a shape, no? So, let's see if this particular trend continues. It's already 2.08. Kanina pa naglalaro yan sa price na to. It's actually just forming this particular formation. So we'll see. We'll see, no? Okay? All right. Let's quickly now go with XRP from our charting before we go with all of your questions, guys. XRP muna tayo ng mabilis. Okay. What does this tell me? Let's go down to 15 minutes. Okay, meron siya pag-form. May pagka-double bottom pero hindi pa niya nabe-break yung ano niya eh, yung cup niya dito, no? So we'll see if this will further continue. Okay. We'll see, no? And then let's see. We'll see if this one breaks out. Let's see. Medyo may paglaban dito sa taas eh, no? Kailangan niyang basagin tong major resistance line na to na this one. It's actually a box here. So we'll put a box rectangle. Kailangan niyang basagin to. Right? 1.57. And after that, kailangan niyang basagin si this one. After this, kailangan niyang basagin, of course, ang one of the other major resistance line, which is this one. This is 1.62. And then we have another one here at 1.77. Okay, may nakaabang na tayong order dyan. Okay, we'll see if this will further continue. But let's see, no? Let's see. So let's see how does this trajectory continue, guys. Let's quickly now go with your question. Okay, guys, woo-hoo-hoo! Congratulations! Let me just clap. We already have 227 people watching. That's an all-time high for us, no? Hindi pa yan parabolic, but I'm really happy because we started with our day one with just 90 watchers. Ngayon, we already have 227. Welcome. If you're new to this YouTube live, this is actually a 5 o'clock habit, no? I actually do all crypto trading news, and then on the latter part, I do Q&A and then quick charting for you to know. Okay? All right, we're done with XRP. Let's go with Matic. Napapagod na daw ba si Matic? Tingnan natin kung napapagod na si Matic, ha? Again, as I've said, long-term tong si Matic, okay? Bakit siya long-term? Kasi naka-bullish pa siya. Oh. If you look into, let's look at the indicator. Let's put an EMA. Let's put an alignment of the stars. Indicator here. Ayan, very, very bullish. Super bullish, as I've said, no? Very, very bullish. We'll see. Let's put an RSI here. Napapagod na ba siya? We'll see kung kakayanin pa ng strength niya. RSI, let's do an RSI 30. Okay, RSI 30 right now, medyo mataas na, no? At 81 RSI 30. Okay, let's go to RSI weekly. Oh, wow, 96. So this is really an extremely parabolic, no? Huwag kayong mag-iiwan ng kung kayo ay day trader, kung kayo ay swing trader, this is not gonna be your stock, no? If you are an investor, yes, no? Or coin, no? Don't leave a coin here more than 2 days to 7 days, no? If you are long term, yes, mag-iwan kayo dyan because this coin can potentially go down a bit, no? But of course, as I've said, this is a long-term investment, right? You know, imagine in a span of gaano ba kahaba tong araw na to, no? So let's measure this, no, from date and price range perspective. Just 5 days. Just just 28 days actually. Ayusin natin dyan. In a span of 21 days, no, 468% ang tinaas niya. Okay? And if you recall, I discussed this on May 1st week. Right? May 1st week diniscuss ko yan sa aking PowerPoint presentation, mga coins to invest, no. So something for you guys to look forward to. But if you are actually a swing trader, this is not a coin for you. If you're investor, yes. And then if you are a parabolic scalper, yes, pasok ka dito. Just go down into a 3-minute chart, of course, and then just continue to use yung tinuturo nating mga trends, no, in terms of how to scalp these parabolic signals na lumalagpas ng 70. Tinuro na natin ng maraming beses yan, something for you guys to know. And still very, very bullish, no? If you look into the 1-hour trend, it's all above the matandang EMA na 100, no? And then you have an EMA 20. It's actually just playing within the EMA 20. And then EMA 50 is still above. So it's still a bullish coin to follow. Okay? All right. Okay. Coach, is it wise to buy ETH and altcoins? Dapat ba USDT? If you're buying USDT, nothing's gonna be happening with your USDT. You only use US dollar Tether. If you're wanting to put staking, you wanted to put sa earn, because USDT is a stable coin. It does not fluctuate its price. It is what it is. Okay, and then if you invest it on a DeFi staking, of course, you'll take advantage of, let's say, 10%, 15%, 20% interest, although may risk yan, no? Alright, Dudes Don, ganyan nangyari sa akin sa CHS, iniwan ko ng 2 days sa all-time high nga, ayun, sayang ang profit. Exactly the point, no? So, that's a very, very good point, no? So, nasabi lagi natin, kapag naka all-time high, merong strategy yan, paano ka papasok at saan ka lalabas. At kung kailan mo siya papasukan, okay? Listen, always make sure you listen, no? So, doon sa ating cheat sheet na ginawa, okay, para sa inyo po yan, ginawa po natin yan. In-improve na natin tong version na to. We improved it to this version. Let me just try to open it real quick right now. Okay, in-improve natin yung version na yun, no? Yung version 2 natin, we improved it kung saan you would already know ano yung indicators sa all-time high place, no? So ingat kayo dyan, huwag kayong pasok ng pasok kung kayo ay short-term trader. Kapag long-term trader investor, kasi mga 6 months ang binibilang niyan. Okay? Alright. Ace 40. Coach, yung candle at high Kinashi, magkakaiba ang value ng RSI. Alin po ang dapat sundin? For me, I always use high Kinashi. Mag-iiba talaga ang RSI niyan because RSI is a laggard metric. Pina-follow niya ang price momentum. It's a momentum indicator. And of course, kapag, for example, ginawa mong ito, I'm using candle, but if I need to use high Kinashi like this, right, the RSI is actually changing already. Diba? So always use high Kinashi if you're actually trading your plan, no, and be able to take advantage of the high Kinashi performance, no. In fact, naka-program yan sa ating mga indicators when we're actually planning trades. Okay. MF Diaries, congrats coach sa YouTube 9K subscribers. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Coach, okay lang po bang long term si ADA sa price ngayon? Yes, for me. ADA, XRP, Matic, and DOT are all long terms. When I say long term, forget about them. Iwan nyo siya dyan. No? Huwag nyo gagalawin mga 6 months or 1 year. It's really long term. Okay? Alright. Daniel, hey, hello. Nice, thank you. Nice seeing you again. Paano po pag may lumabas na hammer sa uptrend? What does it indicate po? Okay, let me try to... Okay, let's do some candle reading, no? Okay. Okay. Let me remove the other indicators. Okay, yan. Okay, ganito yan Okay. Pag nakakita kayo ng ganitong candle, okay. Okay. This one is a doji. Okay, this means that the market is still indecisive. Okay, it's still actually almost on the same price, no? So if you're doing candle reading, this is a doji candle. You need a confirmatory candle, no? Every time na lumalabas si hammer pagkatapos ng isang uptrend, it could signal a reversal. Okay, it could signal a potential reversal. So let me give you an example. This one, okay? Let me give you an example. This one is a perfect example of that. Okay. This is a hammer. Okay? It's a hammer. Meron mga inverted hammer din. But if this is a hammer, pag ganyan, ang ibig sabihin kasi niyan, nag-open yung price sa 1.60 within 1 hour, bumaba siya sa almost 1.55 pero nag-close siya sa 1.59. So the buyers are potentially winning, no? So that is the indicator of a hammer. So it could potentially signal a reversal, and true enough, nag-reverse siya on this particular pattern, no? But of course, if you're doing candle reading, bukod sa candle reading, lagyan mo lagi ng tinatawag nating MACD to confirm. Okay, lagyan mo ng MACD to confirm. Let me just remove the EMAs here. Okay. Just need to make sure you have MACD to confirm the potential uptrend, no? Or just wait for another candle to confirm. Wag lang kayong gagamit ng isang confirmation to buy, no? Always use 2 to 3 confirmation to enter because kayo rin mahihirapan in terms of adjusting or following up in case na sabi mo nag-hammer, right? Tapos nag-green candle. Tapos this one really went higher already. So kailangan mag-antay ka ng another confirmatory candle always even after a hammer, no? Okay? Okay, yes, Gabriel, 1K na lang. Yay! Yes, 1K na lang po. Ano po ang okay, Coach, is it okay na ilagay sa flexible earnings yung naka-hold kong coins, which is ADA and Dodge? I plan to leave it there for a long-term investments. It's up to you po. You know, it's gonna be at your risk appetite, no? If you wanted to put it long-term, it's up to you, right? I've seen a lot of people earn already, but of course, kahit ilagay mo yan sa earn, magpa-fluctuate ang price yan. Parang bangko yan, naglagay ka ng US dollar sa bangko. Diba? It's earning interest, yes, no? But of course, when the dollar exchange rate goes down, and then your dollar value goes down as well, if you look at it on a peso comparison, no? Pero if you only look at dollar as a dollar, then you still have, let's say you invest $100 sa bangko. Okay? Tapos yung exchange rate ng piso from 50 pesos, $100 nag-invest ka kahapon. Tapos next week, naging 52 pesos ang conversion. Pag tumingin ka sa peso value, umangat siya. But you still have $100. Diba? Now, next week after next, bumaba siya ng almost 46 pesos, so naging 4,600 na lang. Pero ang tanong, nabawasan ba yung $100 mo? Hindi. Diba? So that's what you call paper loss. You still have $100, but the value of a dollar looking at the lens of a peso is bumaba. No? So ganun din ang coins nyo, no? So for example, you invested 100 USDT on XRP coins, no? And then XRP coin value from 2.0 went down to 1.8, right? Nabawasan sorry, the other way around. You invested 200 XRP, for example, okay? And then the price of the 200 XRP is 2.0, no? Tapos next week naging 2.5. Dumami ba yung XRP mo? Hindi. The value only increased. Diba? So it's still 200 XRP, right? But the value of that XRP increased, and you earned something from a value standpoint. Ngayon, next week after next, bumaba yung XRP mo. Naging 1.5. Lumiit ba yung XRP count mo? Hindi. Kasi 200 XRP pa din yun. Diba? Pero lumiit lang yung value ng coins mo. Kasi yung XRP coin value in USDT went down to 1.5 or 1.3. No? So, ganun yun, guys. So, there's gonna be fluctuation even if you leave it there. But, if you're really long-term, just leave it there long-term. Okay? Make sense, guys? Say yes kung naintindihan po. Okay? Alright. Okay, let me check on... Okay, Michael Sibal, thank you. Coach, pwede ba yung buy to the dip then pabayaan ta sell to the new all-time high? 4-hour time frame. Buy to the dip and sell to the new all-time high. Pwede. Pwede naman yan. Pwede kang gumawa niyan. That's fine. You go to the futures, pwede mo i-program yan. Okay. Tapos, okay, good. Okay. Guys, hapyawan natin tong learning session kasi importante ito. Actually, wala akong Binance ngayon. I need to log in pa. But anyways, panoorin nyo yung one cancel the other tutorial ko. Sobrang ganda nun, I'm telling you. You could actually put dalawang buy order in one order. You can put two sell orders. No, isa sa taas, isa sa baba. Right? So kunwari ang price ng yan. For example, punta tayo sa Dodge, no? Okay. Kunyari ang price ng Dodge, kunyari nakabili ka sa let's say sa 0.45. Okay? Imagine yung 0.45 ah. Okay. Ang ginagawa kasi ni one cancel the other. Okay. So pwede kang magbumili, kunyari, pwede kang magbenta sa gusto mo magbenta sa 0.52. Kunyari mag-all-time high. Let's put an all-time high trend line here, for example, this one. Okay? Tapos, for example, tumaas, no? And then, let's say, na-beat niya tong performance na, let's say, 1.54. So, mag-aabang ka ng sell order sa, let's say, sa 0.55. Okay? Narabang ka ng sell order dyan. Let's just change that color into purple. Yan. Okay. Mag-abang ka ng all-time high sell order. Tapos, dito ka nakapasok, di ba? Nag-buy ka sa 0.45. Tapos, ayaw mo maipit. Gusto mo na matulog. Okay, gusto mong iwanan yan dyan ng, gusto mong iwanan, let's say, ng 1 month. No? Pero ayaw mo nang makita yan in case bumaba pa yun sa 0.37. Gusto mo nang maprotektahan yung sarili mo. Okay? Make sense? So, this is your buy. Is your buy. And then this is going to be your stop loss sell. Okay, and this is gonna be your take profit sell or taker sell. Ayan. Ayan, okay. So, pwede mong i-program yung dalawang order na yan in isang orderan yan. So, protected ka. You could actually benefit if you sell above or you could stop loss sell. It's going to be based on the OCO order, which is one cancel, the other. Okay? Order in spot. Make sense, guys? So, aralin nyo yan, puntahan nyo yan because magandang order ito in case gusto nyo nang bitawan, let's say, what's this? Gusto nyo bitawan ng, let's say, 2 months, tapos ayaw nyo malugi. So, lagyan nyo ng stop loss sell in case na lumakto pa yan sa support na to para hindi kayo maiwanan. Okay? Alright? So, yon. So, alright. 1.59 XRP going. Wow. 1.58 na sa XRP. Feeling nyo favorite ko sa XRP, ah. Kayo talaga. Okay. Alright. Let's look into the other questions. Ano po ang example ng consolidation? That's a good question, no? Consolidation meaning, it's actually building, tulad ng sinasabi ko, when you say consolidate, so for example, pagkatapos ng, ito, pakita ko sa inyo to, this one. Meron siyang pag-consolidate dito, yan. Pagbuo niyan, consolidation yan. May pag-sideways, pero it's actually building a sideways. Kasi pag galing sa all-time high, for example, ito. Okay, for example, ito din, no? So let's do a bigger version of this. Ayan. Di ba? Okay. Di ba pataas siya ng pataas? Ayan. Tapos, this one, nagko-consolidate siya. Yan, consolidate. Tapos, pataas siya ng pataas. Tapos, nagko-consolidate na naman siya. It's actually building a support and resistance box, no? Ayan. May pag-consolidate siya. Diba? Pero, of course, it depends on what time frame do you look at it, no? Tapos, sa haba na naman. Tapos, kapag nagkakaroon siya ng tinatawag na formation ng candle, hindi siya pataas ng pataas, hindi siya pababa ng pababa. It's becoming like this. It's actually consolidating, meaning it's actually building its support and resistance line. And kailangan ng stocks yon, kailangan ng coins yon, no? Kailangan nila yon. And, you know, hindi bilang futures trader, mahalaga din sa iyo yun para makita mo na hindi sobrang taas. Kasi pag kunyari, for example, no, may mga bagong coins. For example, let's go with Shiba. Let's go with Shiba. This one. Ayan, di ba? Okay. Nung nakita niyo si Shiba, nung wala pa tong part na to, nung wala pa yung part na yan, di ba? Ito pa lang yung nakikita nyo. Parang ang hirap pasukin. Saan papasok dyan, di ba? Ang safe mo dyan is the all-time high, eh. Di ba? Ayun ang safe mo dyan. Kasi hindi pa siya nagko-consolidate. Hindi mo pa makita yung ilalim, hindi mo makita yung taas. No? Kailangan ka pang resistance and support. Diba? So pag ikaw nagte-trade ka ng bagong coins or tokens, pag hindi mo makita sa Binance, labas ka, punta ka sa coin market cap, punta ka sa trading view. Doon mo makita yung historical charts niya. Okay? Okay. Okay bumili ng Matic. Matic is long term, yes. Matic is long term, but of course, sabi ko nga, sinagot ko na kanina. Parabolic po. Thanks, Jox TV, for the question. Okay, Kimberly, malinaw daw. Thank you. Coach, is it okay na ilagay sa flexible earnings yung naka-hold? Kung okay, alam na natin yan. Sagot na natin yan. Okay, Mark. Okay, message retracted. Ano po pang may... Ano po? Okay, Hammer. Jox TV, what did you miss? Meron naman pong recording. Okay. Insights on AAV. AAV, sobrang lumipad dyan. Pero galing sa taas kasi yan, eh. Galing sa tuktok yan, biglang bumaba. Tingnan natin, tingnan nyo. Let's go with 1 day. 4 hours. Let's look into the chart. Let's try to refresh. Okay, I hope your Tuesday is all good, guys. Everyone is okay. Okay. Okay, AAV, let's go with 4 hours. Okay, yan. Galing siya sa all-time, galing siya sa previous all-time high na 633. I'm looking at the right, yeah, AAV, right, USR Tether. Yan, 683. May pagbuo dito. Well, nabasag niya yung major support line here. We have a box here, no? We'll do a box here. This one. Nabasag na yan. So we'll see if it will further go up. This, baba tayo sa mas batang time frame yan. So meron siyang pagbasag dyan, no? And this is wow, ang ganda naman ng formation na to. Very beautiful. Ayan, no? Diba? Huwag lang niyang babasagin yan. Okay? And it should not go down below this support level. This used to be a resistance, now a support, no? Huwag lang niyang basagin yan. And let me see. Yeah. So I think short-term trader, it's a good coin to trade, no? Long-term, AAV is a long-term investment for me. It's a long-term investment. Galing sa mababa, you know, nag all-time high tapos tumaas ng tumaas, right? And then let's do a weekly view. And look at that performance, diba? So, na-break niya yung resistance na 582, then tumuloy-tuloy pataas. Okay? Okay. Look at ETC. Last 7 minutes. We'll have last two questions, guys. Last two questions tayo. ETC USDT. Let's do Ethereum Classic. Okay, let's do a day. Yun. Let's see. Yung pattern niya, no? And then, hoping it breaks out. And may pag sideways si ETC, it's consolidating, it's building its support, no? Very strong support itong line na to. Actually, it's consolidating here. No, yung pag-consolidate siya dyan sa area na yan. It's actually, nag-bounce sa around 80 plus levels, no? And bumagsak, hindi siya nabuo yung cup and handle, bumagsak lalo. So, if you're going to enter, kung wala ka pang posisyon, wait for it to break out around 101 levels or 100, around 100 plus levels kung wala ka pang posisyon, no? And then wait for other indicators to confirm to enter. I would not be worried on ETC kung hindi niya babasagin ng 78 na support. I think that's gonna be a safe zone there. Okay? But obviously, ETC has a potential. No? Alam niyo naman, ETC is a coin na unang version ng ETH, which is Ethereum Classic, Ethereum bago ngayon. So, I discussed that, no? Anong difference ng dalawa nung ating Week 101 cryptocurrency, okay? Okay, guys, last two question. Okay, BTT, TRX, guys, when you say long term, it's gonna be 6 months, 1 year above, ha? You need to forget it. Okay? And for me, as long as the coin has for me kasi kailangan ang gusto kong coin hindi yung, for example, ang tokenomics niya, babayaran ka nila ng 5% pag hinold mo, tapos magbabayad ka ng 10% pag nag-withdraw. Parang very iffy sa akin yung ganun eh. No? So kailangan maganda yung platform, maganda yung technology, tapos like for example si Matic, no? Layer 2 scalability. Diba? They're doing sidechains performance. Si ADA, meron na siya sariling smart contract niya. Diba? Si XRP, diba? Look for those types of coins na merong sense yung technology niya. It will stay relevant. No? Huwag kayong magpapa-hype sa mga kunyari sobrang dami ng nabili niyang units, kaya ang value lang ng token na 'yon 0.000001, 'di ba? Kaya nabili siya ng 10 million na tokens, no? Maganda sa cellphone mo, pero maganda ba yung performance niya? Tatanungin mo 'yon. 'Di ba? Is it good in your Is it good fundamentally? 'Di ba? Tulad na yung mga, nasa na ngayon yung hype ng nung pancake swap, nasa na siya, 'di ba? Nasa na yung hype ng SafeMoon? Nasa na yung hype ng, I mean, it's I don't have anything against those tokens. I don't want you to get me wrong, no. But if you're scanning for coins and tokens, you just need to look at, obviously, is there a volume? Is there a fundamental reason why will you invest on this coin? Is there a technology? Do you know how the technology works? Diba? Do you have an understanding? Will it be relevant 2 years from now? No? Or the owner will just burn the coins, right? So those types of things, right? So another yun. So okay, all right. So yeah, Richard, hey, maray na hapon sa imo, Manoy. Maray nagdadalang ka ngunyan. Thank you. Habang nag-garden daw. Okay. Funding countdown. Funding countdown is meron tayong video on that, no? Funding countdown is nagre-refresh siya every 8 hours. Kailangan mong makita yan because remember, there are times when pag nananalo yung mga buyers, nagabayad si mga shorters, no? And kailangan i-maintain nila yung funding rates nila dyan. Merong interest rate computation yan para ma-maintain yung healthy dynamics ng futures. Kasi ang futures kasi derivatives yan eh. Ang wala namang kinalaman dyan si Binance. Ang nagbabayad lang dyan, pag nananalo si futures, pag nananalo si buy long, nagbabayad si sell short. Pag nananalo si sell short, nagbabayad si buy long, di ba? So, ganun yun. So, for Binance to maintain a healthy way of funding, may pambayad sila sa mga nananalo, they need to maintain sort of a percentage and kailangan mag-renew yan every 8 hours. No? Magne-negative yan, makikita mo pag nananalo pag buy long ka, magne-negative yan, percentage na yan pag nananalo si shorters, no? Sila short sell. No? So, and it's a very layman's term explanation. Kung gusto mo malaman yung detalye, nasa video po natin yan in our futures video. Okay? Okay. Guys, it's already 5:59. Thank you, everyone. It's 217 watchers. I love all of you. Thank you very much. We have already 9,000 plus subscribers. Road to 10,000. I'm sure kayang-kaya natin to. Kung natuto ka kay Coach Miranda Minor today, please share our YouTube channel. This is for free. I have 40 videos already para sa'yo para makita mo ano yung mga learning information na need mo bilang newbie. And I have a learning system, no? Kung bago ka sa aking channel, I have a learning system that you could actually use para matutunan mo at magamay mo yung ating learning process, no? So learning system is actually a sunod-sunod na scenario, a learning framework, no? For free yan, wala kang babayaran, just put your time in focus as an investment. Okay? Guys, and again, just watch out for my next video na lalabas. It's going to be the calculator. Yan. So, calculator, abangan nyo. It's 6 o'clock or 6:15. Lalabas natin yan. Abangan nyo. It's a really good calculator to use. I'd look forward for your feedback. And then, I think that should be it, guys. So, if there just a quick shout out lang sa ating Facebook groups, no, natawa lang ako masaya lang ako sa mga sagot ninyo. Ano kasi tayo, nagsi-survey tayo, no. Ano ang trading style ninyo? Sabi dito, pinakamalaki 264 votes. 264 votes. Subok lang, trial and error trader. Okay? And then we have set people, fundamentalists, and technicians, 73 votes, no? Meron natawa ako kasi meron 12 na nag-vote. I'll not name, wala naman kayong names dito. 12 votes, the whole analysis. Whole analysis, no? So, something really, really interesting. But, we will be giving those types of questions para sa inyo for us to get to know you better. Okay? Alright, guys, thank you so much. Coach Miranda loves all of you. I will see you on my next live session tomorrow. Dagang salamat, Diyos Mabalos. Thank you so much wherever you are. I love you. Bye.